Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to delete stickers from your TikTok application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do is just open your TikTok application, and after you open it, now you just need to take a look on this button features. Make sure that you are stay in a profile. There will be like 5 sections on it. TikTok, this one is for your home, so this containing a lot of content from the TikTok user. This one is for shopping. This one to create the content, inboxes, and profile. Now you just need to visit the profile section, and right after your profile informations down here, there will be a line about the sections of your profile. So to access the stickers that you have, you just need to go click the second line here. And after that, you just need to pick which picture that you want to delete. So let's say here I would like to delete this, so you just need to click and hold. And after that, you just need to go click delete. Confirm that you want to delete the stickers, and you're done. So that's the way how to delete stickers on a TikTok application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.